For decades, one country dominated the world's factories. But now, the global manufacturing map is changing, and the world's biggest companies are moving to India. The question is, why now? It's called the China Plus One strategy. Global corporations realized depending on a single manufacturing hub was a trillion-dollar risk. They needed a new home, massive workforce, growing middle class, industrial expansion, political ambition. Enter India. But India didn't wait for companies to arrive. It launched one of the world's biggest manufacturing incentive programs. Through a strategy called PLI, Production-Linked Incentives, India is paying companies to manufacture inside the country. This is why your newest smartphone may soon say, "Assembled in India." But factories alone are not enough. India is now building one of the largest infrastructure networks in modern history. Dedicated freight corridors are cutting transport times nearly in half. They aren't just building roads and ports, they're building the veins and arteries of a future superpower. The world's economic center may be shifting in real time. The factories of the future are no longer just in East Asia. They're rising across India. So is India becoming the next global manufacturing superpower? Comment India if you think the 21st century belongs to them.